In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add BCC and CC fields to emails in Outlook on the web. Whether you're a seasoned Outlook user or just getting started, learning how to use the BCC and CC fields effectively can enhance your email communication. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to go to Microsoft Outlook on your web browser. If you're not already signed into your account, you'll find the sign in button conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the sign in page. Here, carefully enter your email address and password to access your Outlook account. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your main Outlook dashboard, where you can manage your emails, calendar, and more. Next, look to the left side of the screen. Here you'll see a variety of options available. Find the new mail button and click on it. This opens a new message window where you can begin composing your email. Now let's focus on adding the CC and BCC fields to your message. Right beneath the to field you should see the CC option. Click on CC to add it to your email window. CC, which stands for carbon copy, allows you to send a copy of the email to someone else. The recipients in the to and CC fields can see who receives the email, making it useful for keeping others in the loop without directly addressing the email to them. But what if you want to send a copy of this email unnoticed by other recipients? That's where the BCC, or blind carbon copy, field comes in handy. To add this, look for the BCC button right next to the CC option. Click on BCC to include this field in your email. Any email address added to the BCC field will receive the email without the primary or CC recipients knowing. This is especially useful for preserving privacy when emailing a large group or sharing sensitive information. With both the CC and BCC fields now visible, you're all set to add the desired email addresses and compose your message. Remember to review your recipients and ensure that everyone is appropriately placed in the correct fields before sending your email. By using these fields effectively, you enhance your email communication, ensuring the right people are informed while maintaining the privacy of others as needed. Once you're satisfied with your email, go ahead and hit send. And there you have it, a simple way to add and utilize the CC and BCC fields in Outlook on the web. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one, and I'm excited to see you in the next video.